A massive Claude Code leak just dropped, over 500,000 lines of source code online. I've dug through it all to bring you the hidden features. The full source code for Claude Code was accidentally exposed via an NPM source map. While browsing the massive 500,000-line leak, researchers found a hilarious file containing 187 custom spinner verbs. Alongside standard terms like computing, it uses wacky words like boondoggling, discombobulating, and moonwalking to show its thinking. Most people think Claude Code is just a terminal chatbot, but it's actually a full agent runtime. Built with Bun, TypeScript, and React, it features a robust tool system, permission engine, and an MCP client and server. The execution flow parses CLI queries through a dedicated engine and tool loop before rendering. Stop relying solely on prompts. The source reveals 85 hidden commands. Use /init to generate a project manual, or /plan and /ultraplan to map approaches without editing. Save money with compact to compress history, track spend with cost, and run automated checks using /review and /security review. The memory system is vital, revolving entirely around the CLAUDE.md file. This isn't just documentation, it's the operating context for your AI employee. Inject absolute rules like TypeScript strict mode always, or use PNPM, not NPM. The architecture relies on user-level memory, extracted memories, and team sync. Tired of constantly confirming allow git status? The code exposes a deep permission system. Instead of babysitting every step, set wildcard permissions in your settings. JSON or settings.local.json. Adding rules like allow all git commands or allow file edits in source shifts Claude from default mode into true auto-agent mode. Claude Code is engineered for multi-agent workflows. The backend includes a coordinator subsystem featuring agent tools, team tools, and a task system. It's built for decomposition, splitting big prompts into search, plan, execute, and verify stages. You can even run parallel background tasks like Claude task bash background run tests. The real extension layer lies in the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Claude Code functions natively as both an MCP client and server. The source highlights a dedicated skills and plugins layer, letting power users build repeatable workflows. It acts as an integration hub, seamlessly connecting your databases and APIs. The spiciest find features gated behind user type equals ant, meaning Anthropic internal users only. The code reveals heavily feature-flagged tools like voice mode, Kairos, daemon mode, and coordinator mode. It even outlines infrastructure settings for model routing and sub-agent overrides, linking directly to AWS Bedrock and Google Vertex. Thanks for watching AI Injection. If these leaked features upgraded your AI workflow, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more cutting-edge AI secrets.